Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I created this very simple look using Lisa Eldridge Velvet Ribbon lipstick. That is a very beautiful true red lipstick. So I use this lipstick for lips, blush, and also a little touch of eyeshadow. I already talked about Lisa Eldridge lipstick. I bought many of them, so I got many different shades, and every shade is gorgeous in my opinion. And Velvet Ribbon is very iconic, so it's a very beautiful red, and you can really use it as a bold lipstick, but also for having a blurry effect like this. So, and due to this powdery consistency, you can really play with this product. So if you're really interested in my look, please follow the second part of the video. On my skin, I already applied Lala Retro from ᴠᴛᴇʀ and the ᴑɪᴜᴜᴜ Intensive Serum, always from ᴠᴛᴇʀ. I really love that brand. On my eyes, ŝōභᴏᴜᴜ Complex Eye Serum. I bought many kits from ᴠᴛᴇʀ, so I got also mini size. And on my skin, I used Luminous Silk foundation. This is absolutely my favorite foundation. I also have its powder. This is the refill of Luminous Silk compact powder. I use also this beautiful meteorites from Guerlain. They are a sort of powder with highlighter effect, but very subtle. I applied a little touch of Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl, mainly in this zone. I use a Brow Now from Estée Lauder just to keep my eyebrows in place. I really love this product because it really had volume and it also gives shapes. So just a little touch because my eyebrows are already heavy and dark. I done my base very quickly, so I start now with the lipstick. It's a Velvet Ribbon from Lisa Eldridge, and I apply on the center and then I blur it with my fingertips. I use also a blending brush. The effect is a little bit blurry, and now I add a little bit of color on the edge. I usually start from the eyes, but this time I started from the lips because I wanna adapt the eye look to the lips. So I take an ivory shade from this Chanel palette. And then I use the neutral shade matte to contour my eye, just a little bit. I try to fight my hooded eyes with ŝōභᴏᴜ Complex, the eye cream from ᴠᴛᴇʀ, and it really works. I mean, at 40 you see your lids getting down, and so I really love the effect of this eye serum because it really opens up your eye look. And then I add a little touch of brown. Then I'm taking a very thin eyeliner like this from Lancôme. It is grandiose liner. Curl it and use with another angle if you like. I make a very thin line. My intention is to make it quite invisible. The outer part. Taking an highlighter. This is touche éclat just to correct the angle. Use Lash Queen Falling Blacks by Helena Rubinstein. I have two mascara from Helena Rubinstein, this one, and I love Sexy Blacks. I find this Falling Blacks more natural instead of Sexy Blacks that is more about volume. This is Sexy Black and this is Falling Blacks. You can see packaging is very cute and beautiful. When I bought this mascara, I thought it would give a more dramatic look. Instead, it's the right opposite, but it could work brilliant for lower lashes. I'm gonna add a little touch of this beautiful lipstick as a blush. I take it from the back. It's like using pure pigment, and I add one here and here. Cute, it's a new look, and I blend it. I have also foundation and a little touch of highlighter. Now I take a brush like this and I blend it in the skin. On the bridge, and I blend it also in this zone. So the main color is on the cheeks, but I blend it also the other zone. Go back with the foundation and with a brush I'll take another little touch of lipstick. I love cream blush because they are so natural, and you know that the same color of blush really works well with your lips. Take a little touch of highlighter. I love making first layer of everything and then I add by step. So with a small brush, this is a real technique. I blend it with my foundation also, and I add in here and here, and as a final touch I take a little bit of lipstick and I add it here in the outer part. You have to be careful not to take away your eyeshadow. Press it to recreate the same shade and adding warmth to your brown eyeshadow. It's very easy also to retouch. I hope this video could be helpful for you, so let me know your impression. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!